former Mumbai police chief Param Bir Singh, missing since October, was today granted protection from arrest and asked by the Supreme Court to join investigations into an extortion charge against him. His lawyer said in court that he is not absconding and that he is in India, also saying that the officer shall join investigation but will not be arrested. That's what the Supreme Court then said, and the court had last week refused to grant that former top cop any such protection, asking him to sternly first reveal where he was. Param Bir Singh, the lawyer then said, does not want to abscond and does not want to run anywhere either. So protection then finally coming in. Will this lead to resurfacing of the former Mumbai police top cop? That remains to be a focus. Meanwhile, let's cut across to Sukirti, bringing us up to speed with what exactly happened in court. Crucial hearing today, Sukirti.
Well, absolutely, Sonal. And as you pointed out, the big question now is Mr. Param Bir Singh going to resurface now? He's been missing for months, something even the Mumbai police had informed the Bombay High Court earlier that we don't know where the former top cop of Mumbai is. He is missing at the moment. Now, in today's hearing, the hearing started off by Mr. Param Bir Singh's lawyer informing the Supreme Court that he is very much in India. He's not absconding. He does not want to run anywhere. He is willing to appear before a CBI court, but the moment he lands in Maharashtra, he faces threat from the Mumbai police, and to that the court objected. Justice S.K. Kaul asked him that if the former top cop of Mumbai is going to say that he faces threat himself from the Mumbai police, then what kind of a message does it send out? To which Mr. Param Bir Singh's lawyer pointed out that the kind of cases that have been filed against him, even by many of them by bookies, many of them by other people who've been indulged in illegal activities, so there's threat to his life if he comes back here, and also faces threat from the Mumbai police. And his plea in the Supreme Court was for protection from arrest, and finally that permission was granted by the Supreme Court. But the Supreme Court has said that Mr. Param Bir Singh needs to join the investigation. However, he shall not be arrested. So this is definitely going to be a big relief for Mr. Singh, but whether or not he is going to resurface now is the big question.
All right, so we wait to see what happens next, but this is a significant development in the story, and we wait to hear what happens next on that. Thanks, Sukirti, for joining us with the very latest.